Automobile Engineering. JNTUK R16 Syllabus. Final year 2nd semester. Mechanical Engineering. Unit 1. Introduction. Components of four-wheeler automobile, chassis and body. Power unit, power transmission, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, types of automobile engines, engine construction, turbocharging and supercharging, engine lubrication, splash and pressure lubrication systems, oil filters, oil pumps, crankcase ventilation, engine service, reboring, decarbonisation, nitriding of crankshaft. Unit 2. Transmission system. Clutches, principal, types, cone clutch, single plate clutch, multi-plate clutch, magnetic and centrifugal clutches, fluid flywheel, gearboxes, types, sliding mesh, construct mesh, synchro mesh gearboxes, epicyclic gearbox, overdrive torque converter. Propeller shaft, Hotch, kiss drive, torque tube drive, universal joint, differential rear axles, types, wheels and tyres. Unit 3. Steering system. Steering geometry, camber, caster, kingpin rake, combined angle towing, center point steering. Types of steering mechanism, Ackermann steering mechanism, Davis steering mechanism, steering gears, types, steering linkages. Unit 4. Suspension system. Objects of suspension systems, rigid axle suspension system, torsion bar, shock absorber, independent suspension system. Braking system. Mechanical brake system, hydraulic brake system, master cylinder, wheel cylinder. Tandem master cylinder requirement of brake fluid, pneumatic and vacuum brakes. Electrical system. Charging circuit, generator, current, voltage regulator, starting system, Bendix drive mechanism solenoid switch, lighting systems, horn, wiper, fuel gauge, oil pressure gauge, engine temperature indicator etc. Unit 5. Engine specification and safety systems. Introduction. Engine specifications with regard to power, speed, torque, know of cylinders and arrangement, lubrication and cooling etc. Safety. Introduction. Safety systems: seat belt, airbags, bumper, anti-lock brake system, ABS, windshield, suspension sensors, traction control, mirrors, central locking and electric windows, speed control. Unit 6. Engine emission control. Introduction. Types of pollutants, mechanism of formation, concentration measurement, methods of controlling engine modification, exhaust gas treatment, thermal and catalytic converters, use of alternative fuels for emission control, national and international pollution standards. Engine service. Introduction. Service details of engine: cylinder head, walls and valve mechanism, piston connecting rod assembly, cylinder block, crankshaft and main bearings, engine reassembly precautions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Purushotam Academy for more updates.